Yeah, I welcome you once again to the Graceful Energy Limited YouTube page, and of course, it's time for how to do. So, I believe we are doing great, and we are doing well with the previous walkthroughs, and they've come in handy and helpful. So, and I will suggest that our pages are open for questions, for suggestions, for criticism. Of course, they have to be constructive. So, want your feedback, write us, tell us if the videos were helpful, the various challenges you're facing, and we are here to help you. So, thank you. So, in today's episode of How to, we'll be treating the remote reading, remote reading. So, of course, you enter the web page, which is this, and this is the result. You enter the project name, password, and you input the verification code, and automatically you gain access to the database. And here we are. So, and remember, we said previously that every remote function you want to carry out, any remote operation you want to carry out in the database, is dependent on the DCU. So that's why it's very important you check the status of the DCU at every point in time before you carry out any remote operation. So, with that said, we'll go straight to what we have for the day, which is remote reading. So, and of course, from the name, it means that it has to fall under the remote tab. So you come here and you click on it, you see the various single phase meters, then you select the meter you want to run any function on. If it's a single phase meter, you click on any of the above, and if it's the three phase meters, you select it and click on the particular meter you want to work on. Now, once you select the meter you want to work on, you come over to the right hand side of the screen of the database. You notice the various sub functions, the various functions that you can run under this meter. So, for there are so many of them. There are so many of them. So, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be running the remote reading. So, the parameters we'll select today is they are dual current credit register, the cumulative power consumption, and you come down here to the dual source rate. Now, if you select these three parameters, it means you want to check the power and the amount of energy that have been consumed, this particular meter have consumed cumulatively, and the current credit you have in the meter. Then you also want to check for the dual source rate. You want to change the tariff the meter is operating on. So once you select these things, these three parameters, you click on add tax, and it adds it automatically as a tax. And this is an input, and you ask yourself, how do I know if what the tax I added here is successful or it failed? So I'll answer this question in the next tutorial. So thank you.